sagot, di ba?
Yan yung Central Post Terminal.
Next station, Carriedo.
Yun, Carriedo. Then also can lead you to the Quiapo Church. Here it comes the bridge. Yan na, Pasig River na tayo. Ayan, Pasig River.
Oo, nung bridge yun.
MacArthur.
Sinong gumawa?
Hindi naalala. Baka si,
China.
China.
Chinese, yung Czech.
Alam ko yun yung China, kalaban yun ng Pilipinas yun eh.
Tsaka,
Tsaka yung North Korea, kalaban din yun.